Hello, this is Terry and welcome back to my next build video in my mini teardrop camper build series. I'm getting excited. At the end of this video I will be able to install this galley door onto my galley. So I'm really looking forward to getting that done. Kind of apprehensive at the same time to see if it's going to fit, but I'm really excited to get this done. So the first thing I want to do before I get it on is to go ahead and put the door locking and latch system in. And I've got this handle latching system I'm going to use, and this is actually going to go from the outside to the inside. Remember in the previous video where I drilled a hole at, so from the outside to the inside it's going to come through this way. This is the other mechanism. It's going to sit on the inside like that, and these two posts here will fit onto this rod, and that will lock it into the sides of the camper. So let's go ahead and get started and put that on. The next step after this is to put the hurricane hinge on and then get this thing installed. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I got my latch mechanism in. I think it turned out really good. So now it's time to go ahead and put the hurricane hinge on. I'll be putting a part on the other side and a part on this side. And just for the information, I'm going to separate the screws. I'm going to input on both sides of the hinge about every 2 inches. And I'm going to use some sealant tape to keep it waterproof, and also some Proflex caulking sealant too to keep it waterproof. So that's what I'll be using to mount this. So let's go ahead and get this hinge mounted. Okay, it turned out pretty clean here. Just a piece of tape there, but the seam looked pretty clean right there. And if I get a shot in here, it filled in really good right there. I just got to keep my eye on it. So I'm going to go ahead and let that set up so it won't be tacky. And meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the other part of the hinge on top of the galley on the camper here. So let's go ahead and get that. Okay, I've got my hurricane hinge part connected on my galley on the camper, and as you can see, it fit really good. I'm going to wait and put some ProFlex here whenever I trim the entire camper. Then I'll go ahead and put some ProFlex here too. Right now I don't see any point in it. So I'm going to let this set up a little bit longer, and then I'm going to try and get this door on this hinge, and we'll see how it fits. On. It's late evening right now. The guys that helped me just left, and I really appreciate their help. And this really fits really well. So I'm just going to open it up just to show you how easy it is to open up even right now. It's just that easy. I think it looks nice, and that's going to be it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to start doing the trim all the way around the trailer, and also the trim for the door itself to make sure it's nice and waterproof. And that's really all I've got to do is just the trim work itself and a few minor things to do. So I appreciate you guys. Continue watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I've got a little subscribe button down here now, so please click on that. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.